Well, there's the end of that car. I guess we can introduce this guy here. Christian and I went back to Philadelphia and fucking picked up another one of these. Yeah. Hey. What's up, guys? Just got the trailer loaded up. And about to go grab another car. What's up, people? We're back grabbing another E46.
Shocker.
Yeah, big surprise there. Say hi to Phil.
What's up?
Yeah. Shout out to Dylan again. Letting us use the old super booty. Actually heading to Philly again. Okay.
Oh my god!
Alright. Here, my turn. Yeah, go for it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna jump through it.
Fuck no, I like my leg.
Fuck yeah. You fell through it. Are you okay? Yeah.
Bros, someone get up there and try and chop through the roof.
Yeah, I'll go through. I'll try to swing through the roof. Bro, your ass is gonna be covered. Oh, dude, it's already, look at that shard on it. Yep. All the glass on your ass.
Oh, bruh.
It's okay, baby. Alright.
Dude, get some fucking hammer chops. A little stuck.
Alright. Goodbye, bad habits. Oh my god, there's glass. Oh, that's just a handle.
Nice. Oh yeah.
He's angry. I'm gonna poke him.
What you see here is a wild animal. What you want to do is not get too close.
Hey, smash that GoPro mount. Clobber that shit.
What GoPro mount?
Oh!
Boys, I hate to say this, but I think I need to take my pants off. Oh yeah, I did cut myself.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Everybody's dying.
My hands are all sliced up.
Damn. What a way to go. Yeah, if anybody's interested in a free show, you know where the fuck to find it. Got you.
Don't come take it to where the fuck you want with it. I don't care, stay in. Where are those rubber gloves at? I'm back in the car.
Hey, Sage. Why both your cars got fucked up windshields, man?
B30?
Oh, gosh. There it went.
There we go. And that's that for sure.
Do we have an axe?
No. It's getting there, y'all. Feels like yeah, one of these things is just gonna go right through. Oh yeah. Call on your turn.
Yeah.
Next one's going through, boy. There's I can see light.
Does anybody have a flashlight?
There's glass everywhere. Send him out properly, baby. There we go.
Oh, we have a. Oh!
It's a moonroof now, boys. Hano, we're putting Hano in the E36. That's your base patch in the back seat. Yeah, she was in a rollover accident. Yeah. Potter to potter out.
Full coverage, baby.
150K miles, it's still fine. Oh, I'm more than that, almost 200. Wait, yeah, right there. Right.
Well, there's the end of that car.
It's starting to crumble laugh.
I guess we can introduce this guy here.
Made my money back.
Christian and I went back to Philadelphia and fucking picked up another one of these. I don't know why, but
Because they're too cheap and they need saved.
yeah, they kind of wrecked. There's something over here. It's pretty rusty underneath. We won't talk about all that.
This is rusty.
The diff,
Don't look at it.
the diff is real bad. We pulled the axles out of here,
That's for sure.
but
If you don't look at it.
I think I could pull this hub straight out.
I've never seen it rust there before. That's so weird.
Same on this side, pretty bad. Give her a brap. Oh yeah,
She's cold.
cold as fuck. Yeah, hit it!
Busting up, put the condom on the vanity. Only ones with Audi Labs tatted, that's Sedan and me.
You better watch me,
bitch.
I know you love to watch me.